guys, it's Rick. Welcome back to the HDVIBE channel. If you'd like to see more tips, tricks, rides, reviews, installs on my Harley Davidson touring motorcycles, as well as information about motorcycles and the motorcycle community at large, I ask that you please hit that subscribe button. And when you do subscribe, please leave a comment down below saying I subscribe so I can personally reach out and thank you for supporting the channel. Also, when you subscribe, make sure to hit that bell icon and select all so that you get notified every time I put out new content. So today we're going to be talking about tour packs. If you're like me and you have a Street Glider, Street Glide Special, or maybe a Road Glider, Road Glide Special, or a Road King, or Road King Special, you may be considering a tour pack. As you can see in the Street Glide Special, I do have a tour pack, and this is a tour pack from Advanblack. It is a King tour pack. And what I want to do today is talk about some of the things that you get with this Advanblack tour pack, my impressions after having it since 2019, so about 3 years now, and then lastly, a comparison in price to a similar Harley Davidson version. So let's get into it right after this. A few years ago, I was looking for a King tour pack for my Street Glide Special. And I searched high and low. I looked at the Harley Davidson version. I have friends that have the Harley Davidson version. And I happened to come across this company, again, this was in 2019, late 2018, early 2019, called Advanblack. And since that time, Advanblack has really become an industry leader in color-matched tour packs, lower fairings, and accessories for your Harley Davidson motorcycle. So this is actually the Advanblack color matched King tour pack, and the color that I have here again is the brilliant silver pearl, which is I think a challenging color because it does have metallic flake into the paint, and I would say this is, if not perfect, a near perfect match to what the bike actually has. So this Advanblack tour pack is pretty much identical sizing and specifications that you would get with your Harley Davidson version. The tour pack itself, if you just order the tour pack, you get the tour pack, not this luggage rack, and a seat backrest. This is actually not the backrest that came with it, but I will say the backrest that came with it was more than adequate and very good. I just happened to come across a CVO version that had some diamond stitch that I like better, and so I swapped it out. As you can see, I do have the luggage rack. I ordered that separately. There was a separate charge for that, but the holes themselves were already drilled into the tour pack. It came with all the hardware that you need, as well as the backrest was not on the tour pack itself, so you had to actually put that on there. It came with the metal plate, it's a reinforcing plate, along with all of the hardware that then connected to the docking hardware. So I ordered the tour pack, the luggage rack, and the docking hardware. The only other thing that I ordered separately, and I will have some footage of that, is the inside liner for this as well. So this is the liner that I ordered. It actually just Velcros in. They actually had, when I got it in the mail, they had all the Velcro already in it. And there's also one that goes kind of in the base portion of this tour pack as well. It's a nice vinyl. It has some diamond stitching. I just went with the black stitching, pretty basic. So that was an additional charge for that. So, and then I also went with the chrome hardware. You do have now an option to go with black hardware. I think there's a bit of an upcharge. I think you can even get a black luggage rack to put on this. So I actually had a 4-point docking system already on this bike. I had purchased that through Amazon or eBay, and then I put the docking hardware actually onto the bottom of the tour pack, and it fit perfectly. As I said, I've had this about 3 riding seasons now, and I would say I don't run with it on all the time, but a good part of the time, especially when Ms. HDVIBE wants to ride, I'll put this back on, and obviously it's much more comfortable for her to be cradled kind of by this backrest. So My impressions over the 3-year time frame is it's held up very well. The paint is great. I don't do much to it. I think I may have put 1 coat of wax on it when I initially got it, and I clay barred it down to make sure that the paint was completely smooth. Only things that I had that was a challenge was the latch, where you do have a keyed latch. That actually, the locking mechanism quit working properly, so I immediately contacted Advanblack, and they actually sent out a whole new latch kit for that, and I replaced it along with keys to go with it. So that is the one thing with these Advanblack. You do get keys. Obviously it won't match the key that you have for the ignition for your bike. The Tour Pack is a quick detach, so it's pretty quick, just like any of your backrests or a luggage rack that you would put on a 4-point docking system. It just basically clips off and just tilts up, and you can just pull it right off. So it is a pretty convenient and easy installation once you have it all set up. I would say the time it took me to put the luggage rack on and put the hardware on the bottom as well as the metal plate, it probably took me about 15 minutes to get this set up. And then when I had to actually replace the latch that Advanblack had sent back out to me as a replacement, you know, not just a few screws. So I will say overall, over the 3 years, the Tour Pack has held up very well. I've ridden it through rain. You know, I've had it with passenger, without passenger. There's no rattling. It's very solid. It's planted on the bike very well. And as I said, I typically run it when I do 2-up. And I also will generally keep it on the bike in the winter time, just so I can store helmets and other items on the bike when I'm out and about. So it is a King Tour Pack, so you can actually put 2 full face helmets in this and close it just fine and lock it up. So that's nice for storage. I've actually used it and gone to the grocery store and loaded up a pretty fair amount of groceries in the back of it. So it does give you that added extra storage space that you wouldn't have if you had a Street Glide or Street Glide Special or Road Glide Special or Road King without the Tour Pack. Let's talk about price. So I went and I configured the cost of this Tour Pack today, which actually is a little bit more expensive than when I had originally purchased it. So as it sits here, including the liner, the luggage rack, color match in this brilliant pearl silver, as well as the hardware, the docking hardware that attaches onto the back, and a backrest. Advanblack version is $1,286. And I do believe that includes shipping to your home. Now there is typically on a color matched, I think everything pretty much other than a vivid black from Advanblack, you do have about a 6 to 8 week lead time from the time you order until it actually gets delivered. A similarly equipped Harley Davidson version would cost you about $2,212.85. And that would include the luggage rack and the actual hardware. I don't know that Harley Davidson actually gets you the metal plate. I don't think they actually sell that. I think that's a separate purchase, but that also includes a backrest. So it's almost $1,000, just short of $1,000 differential in the price. Save about $1,000 over the Harley version, to me, is a great value. Now, I will say too, so the design is very similar, if not almost identical in terms of the shape, the amount of space and things that it can hold, and the dimensions. So actually, I will be putting on this some lighting. So these do not come with lighting, nor do the Harley if you order it as an aftermarket item. They don't come with any of the lighting. I will actually be putting the Custom Dynamics Tour Pack light bar on this. I'll be doing that in a future video. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, certainly reach out in the comments about this Advanblack Tour Pack. Like I said, I've had it for almost 3 years now. It's been, to me, a great value. I've had no issues with it. The paint is excellent. And overall, I've been very pleased and certainly would be willing to spend about $1,300 for this version versus the Harley Davidson at almost $1,000 more than that. So with that, I'm gonna leave you with this. Life is short, get out and ride the bike. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.